Welcome to our channel. If you want to increase traffic to your website, follow these step-by-step instructions to attract more visitors through multiple channels. Step 1. Optimize your website for search engines by conducting keyword research, creating quality content, and implementing on-page SEO best practices, including meta tags and headings. Step 2. Start a blog and publish valuable, informative content regularly that answers your target audience's questions and solves their problems effectively. Step 3. Leverage social media platforms by creating profiles on relevant networks and sharing your content consistently while engaging with your audience authentically. Step 4. Build an email list by offering valuable lead magnets like ebooks, checklists, or templates in exchange for email addresses, then nurture subscribers with regular newsletters. Step 5. Create and share video content on YouTube and social media platforms, as videos drive significant traffic and are highly shareable across multiple channels. Step 6. Engage in guest posting by writing articles for popular blogs in your niche with backlinks to your website to increase referral traffic and SEO authority. Step 7. Participate actively in online communities, forums, and social media groups relevant to your niche by providing helpful answers and sharing your expertise without spamming. Step 8. Consider paid advertising options like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram ads to drive targeted traffic quickly while you build your organic traffic channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.